Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. And I'm back for so long. We're here at Bayan ng Mukog. Wow, and look who's with me. Hulaan niyo ako sa kasama ko. It's Dudongs. Vloggers na kami dito eh. So for today, we're going to have our 1,000 pesos challenge. So for now, we're going to the palengke and this is good. We're going to the palengke. To the palengke. We're going to the market. Oh, okay, naka-English. We're going to the market to buy some, no, buy some ano kaya. Kahit ano. We're, tigs. Ere, gusto mo Lere? Paano malutuin yan? Marlin. Sumere ay naihaw ni Papa. Pare, oh.